Egg tray machine, rotary driving and cool. Pressing adopt servo, motor and accurate gearbox. To control the accurate position. The machine has PLC control. The cylinder without rod drives. The stacking counting device. This can count the egg tray stacking quantity accurately. Each stacking numbers are adjustable. This is more accurate and ends the manual counting history. The drying house adopts up and down air spraying structure. The burner and bird house install on the top. This decreases a lot the drying. House firing rate. At the same time, this saves the space. The wet exhaust motor is controlled by inverter. To reach good weight. Exhaust effect by adjusting. The air fan rotating speed